Hello, welcome to Ludic Science. Today I will show you this homemade version of the Scotch yoke mechanism. As you can see, it is made with simple materials, mostly made out of wood. The slider here is wire from a bronze solder bar. This is a common switch. The cylinder is made by rolling a piece of plastic foil, and the piston is a capacitor without the plastic covering. This is also a piece of wire with a plastic tube around. And maybe the hardest part to get is the electric motor with gear reduction. This mechanism converts the rotational motion into reciprocating motion of the piston, or vice versa. It has the same function as the crank and slider mechanism that is commonly found in internal combustion engines. Let's see it work. Okay, there you have it, the Scotch yoke mechanism. I hope you find it interesting. Thanks for your visit and see you in the next video.